Excretion is the process of removing harmful waste produced inside the body. Importance of excretion: removes harmful waste from the body, maintains the right amount of water in the body, maintains the proper balance of salts and minerals, keeps the blood at the correct acid and base balance, helps maintain a stable internal environment in the body. Types of excretory products: the body removes waste substances produced during metabolism. Carbon dioxide is produced during respiration and has low toxicity. Water is produced during metabolism and has low toxicity. Ammonia is formed during protein metabolism and is highly toxic. Urea is produced in the liver from ammonia and has moderate toxicity. Uric acid is formed during nucleic acid metabolism and has low toxicity. Creatinine is produced from muscle metabolism and has moderate toxicity. Nitrogenous wastes: proteins and nucleic acids contain nitrogen. During their metabolism, the body produces ammonia, urea, and uric acid. Types of animals based on nitrogenous waste: aquatic animals like bony fishes remove ammonia and are called aminotelic animals. Mammals remove urea and are called ureatelic animals. Adult amphibians remove urea and are called ureatelic animals. Sharks also remove urea and are called ureatelic animals. Birds remove uric acid and are called uricotelic animals. Reptiles remove uric acid and are called uricotelic animals. Insects remove uric acid and are called uricotelic animals. Land snails remove uric acid and are called uricotelic animals. Human excretory system removes waste from the body and maintains the balance of water, salts, and acids. The main parts are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys filter blood and produce urine. Ureters carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder stores urine until it is released. The urethra carries urine out of the body. The main functions of the excretory system are blood filtration, urine formation, water balance, salt balance, and acid-base balance. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on both sides of the vertebral column. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left because of the liver. Each kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeters long, 5 to 7 centimeters wide, and 2 to 3 centimeters thick. The average weight of one kidney is about 120 to 170 grams. The outer part of the kidney is called the cortex. The inner part is called the medulla. The central cavity is called the renal pelvis. The medulla contains renal pyramids and columns of Bertini. Urine flows from the collecting duct to the renal pelvis and then into the ureter. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons. The nephron has two main parts called the renal corpuscle and the renal tubule. The renal corpuscle contains the Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus. The renal tubule consists of the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tubule, and the collecting duct. There are two types of nephrons. Cortical nephrons have a short loop of Henle and make up about 85% of all nephrons. Juxtamedullary nephrons have a long loop of Henle and make up about 15% of all nephrons. These nephrons help produce concentrated urine by conserving water. Blood supply of kidney. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. The renal artery divides into afferent arterioles. Blood reaches the glomerulus where filtration begins. Filtered blood leaves through the efferent arteriole. It then flows into the peritubular capillaries and vasa recta for reabsorption and secretion. Finally, blood leaves the kidney through the renal vein. Mechanism of urine formation. There are 3 steps in urine formation. Glomerular filtration. This occurs in the glomerulus. Blood pressure filters water, glucose, amino acids, salts, and urea into the nephron. Blood cells and plasma proteins are not filtered. The glomerular filtration rate is about 125 milliliters per minute or 180 liters per day. Selective reabsorption. This mainly occurs in the proximal convoluted tubule. Useful substances like water, glucose, amino acids, sodium chloride, and vitamins are absorbed back into the blood. About 99% of the filtrate is reabsorbed. Tubular secretion. This occurs mainly in the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. Hydrogen ions, potassium ions, ammonia drugs and creatinine are added into the filtrate. This helps maintain acid-base balance and ion balance. Counter-current mechanism. This mechanism occurs in the loop of Henle and vasa recta. It helps concentrate urine and conserve water. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. The juxtaglomerular apparatus is located near the glomerulus. It releases renin. It regulates blood pressure and controls the filtration rate. Renin-angiotensin system. When blood pressure falls, the kidney releases renin. Renin converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is converted into angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 narrows blood vessels and increases blood pressure. Hormonal regulation. ADH. ADH is released from the posterior pituitary gland. It increases water reabsorption and produces concentrated urine. Aldosterone. Aldosterone is released from the adrenal cortex. It increases sodium reabsorption and water follows sodium. ANF. ANF is released from the heart. It reduces sodium reabsorption and increases urine output. Composition of urine. Urine contains about 95% water. It also contains urea, uric acid, creatinine salts and the pigment urochrome. The normal urine pH is around 6. A healthy person produces about 1 to 1.5 liters of urine every day. Artificial kidney. Dialysis is used when the kidneys fail. It works by diffusion through a semi-permeable membrane. It removes urea, excess salts and extra water from the blood. It cannot perform the hormone-producing function of the kidneys. Kidney disorders. Uremia. Uremia is the buildup of urea in the blood. It is treated with dialysis or kidney transplant. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are commonly formed from calcium oxalate or uric acid crystals. They cause severe pain and blood in the urine. Glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis is inflammation of the glomerulus. It reduces the filtration of blood. Renal failure. Renal failure means the kidneys stop working properly. Treatment includes dialysis or kidney transplant. Accessory excretory organs. The lungs remove carbon dioxide and water vapor. The skin removes water salts and a small amount of urea through sweat. The liver removes bilirubin, cholesterol drugs and other harmful substances from the body.